Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a boy Shadow on Shadow Vlogs, and today I'm going to unbox and review the OnePlus Buds. So guys, here is the box, and as you can see, ये थोड़ा गीला गीला है because I have put the sanitizer on it from all the sides. So let's open this. So this is the small box of the OnePlus Buds, the not blue color. Actually the white and black were available, but this was going out of sale very quickly. I had to wait a lot, and also Amazon is still showing me that the delivery is going to take place at 29th August, and today is just the 18th August. So, and I ordered it around 13th August maybe. So if you're planning to buy from Amazon, so just don't worry that they will show you a later date, but it arrives pretty quickly. So what information do we have here? Month and year of import, and maximum retail price is 4990. This is the exact price for which I bought. Country of origin, let's not talk about it. Product color blue. On the box we can see that it is easy to use, sound quality is nice, environmental noise cancellation, and 30 hours with warp charge. Okay, same things written over here, but it's just in red. Wow, let's keep it aside like all the YouTubers do, and set your music free. What the hell?
1 hour later.
I don't understand.
2 hours later.
What the? The legendary OnePlus cable. And what else do we have here? Wow. So we get two booklets over here. Touch area, this charging port, setup button. Just open it, and they're saying that if your phone is within 20 centimeters, then it will automatically detect. So now let's see if there is any power left. Wow. So whenever you open, you can see this light. Nice. This color, dude, this is so nice. The contrast of blue and green. Wow. So here is bud number 1. You can see the length of it. Bud number 2, the case from inside. Nice matte finish on this. You have the button at the back, light at the front. So you can see the size of the bud. Okay. So guys, OnePlus has not gone for a separate app for the OnePlus Buds, and which is actually a good thing. But look, like इनबिल्ड ही कर दिया है सेटिंग्स में, बट एज यू कैन सी कि यहाँ पे लेफ्ट एंड राइट बर्ड का चार्जिंग अलग है, इवन द केस का चार्जिंग अलग है, बट व्हेन आई गो डीपर इनटू द सेटिंग्स एक्चुअली वो अलग बताता है. सो देयर आर सम बग्स विच इज़ वर्थ मेंशनिंग. सो उन लोग वो ठीक कर देंगे ऑब्वियसली, बट मेरा काम है वो मेंशन करना. सो हियर इट इज़. आई एम कम्प्लीटली ट्रेनिंग आउट दी बैटरी. एज यू कैन सी 10% ही बचा है, पूरा ज़ीरो कर दूंगा, and then we will charge them by the case, and let's see कि कितना टाइम लगता है. So guys, one of the bird is still left. I don't know how this happened, but मेरे को स्टार्टिंग में ही शायद एक बर्ड का ज़्यादा चार्जिंग मिला और एक बर्ड का कम चार्जिंग मिला. सो वन ऑफ देम इज स्टिल देयर एंड वन डाइड. सो आई एम ट्राइंग हार्ड कि दोनों का चार्जिंग ख़त्म कर सकूँ, बट आई वुड लाइक टू पॉइंट हियर दैट कि बैटरी बैकअप अच्छा है. लाइक मेनी ऑफ द वायरलेस ईयरफोन्स एंड विच एवर आई हैव यूज्ड इन द पास्ट, उन लोगों का ऐसा है कि लाइक 50-40% तक ड्रेन होंगे, तब तक अच्छा चलेंगे, एंड आफ्टर दैट देयर विल बी अ सडन ड्रॉप. बट these they stayed with me till the very end. And this notification tray which you get when you swipe down, तो this is not visible always. थोड़ा बग है कुछ, तो वो फर्मवेयर अपडेट में ऑब्वियसली ठीक कर देंगे, but as of now this bug still remains, and I have also searched it on the internet. It is a problem with OnePlus 6, 67, 70 and even other phones. तो वो अपडेट के साथ कर देंगे, but the problem is now, so I'm mentioning it. And also I would like to point कि as soon as you remove these buds from your ear, they the song which song or video whatever you're playing on your phone or on your laptop, so that will stop. So this is like a basic feature, but the main thing is that key, if you turn it on still, like if you remove the buds from your ear and you turn it on, still it will not play. And मतलब basically battery waste करता ही नहीं है. If you just pick the bud up and put it in your ear, you can see that then it starts the music. To explain it better, I can say that कि मेरा एक बर्ड है जो कान में डाला हुआ है, एंड सॉन्ग इज़ बीइंग प्लेड, एंड नॉर्मल सी चीज़ है कि इसमें भी प्ले होना चाहिए, बट इसमें नहीं हो रहा है प्ले. इट इज़ सेविंग बैटरी, एंड एज सुन एज आई पुट दिस इन माई ईयर, द म्यूज़िक विल स्टार्ट प्लेइंग फ्रॉम दिस बर्ड. लाइक दूसरे बर्ड से तो अभी चालू है, बट इससे भी चालू होना चाहिए, तो नहीं, इससे बंद है. As soon as I put it in my ear, it will start playing. So basically it is saving battery to the next level. So I've paired my OnePlus Buds to my phone as well as my laptop, but if you want to quickly switch between your phone and your laptop, you just need to hold your finger on the buds for 3 seconds, as I'm doing right now. 1, 2, you'll hear a music, small sound, and then it should pretty much, yes, you can see it has switched. So it is a very nice feature, and Kiss Anime has died. So guys, both the buds have officially died, and now I will put them for charging in the case. There is a nice magnet and they don't drop. So these are getting charged. So I have put the buds for charging, and you can see the red light key. These buds have not yet been fully charged. The light will turn green when they are fully charged, so I'll leave them. The 50% came in 15 minutes, the 90% came in 30 minutes, the 100% came in 45 minutes. The buds went from 0 to 100, whereas the case dropped from 100 to just 80%. Remove the bud to stop the music and put the bud inside again to play the music. These work really well. Also, the double tap feature to next your track or to play the previous track are very responsive, and they do really work very nicely. So coming on to the sound quality of the OnePlus Buds, I had my doubts with it that it is not in air, like there are no rubber tips to it, so it would not go deep inside your ear, and you will not get that thumping bass. But yeah, it doesn't go that deep and it doesn't have that tips, but the sound quality is really 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 good. And obviously will not get that thumping bass, which if you are a fan of, you should not buy these. The following people can go for these buds. Number one, if you are a OnePlus fan geek or hardcore fanboy, just go for these buds. They are really really awesome. And second, if you want a premium earbud but you don't have the budget for it, if you just have 5,000 rupees, so you can go for these. Third, if you don't want the rubber tips, and because you feel that they will isolate you from the world and you would not be able to hear anything in your surrounding, so you can go for these. Coming to why you should not buy these buds. At least in my case, the left bird was a great fit, but the right bird was, somewhat average, because sometimes I felt like the right bird was about to fall, or maybe it's just my feeling. But yes, the right bird was not so great at fit. Obviously, the two birds must be identical. I think there's some problem with my ear, maybe, but or maybe it's just my feeling. But I would just recommend you people to just go to the store and try it once for yourself, look at the fitting and everything, and if it suits you, then go for these blindly. Second, if you want a thumping bass, if you want the rubber tips to go deep inside, and if you really love your music and you want that bass, so don't buy these because they are not going to go deep inside. Although I would say that if you increase the volume, like I just hear it at 50%, about that it is really impossible for me to hear because it gets pretty loud. So you can just increase the volume a bit, and that compensates for the bass maybe for you. And finally, if you are having 2 3 OnePlus phones at home, just go for these: the low latency mode, the quick pairing, the quick switching between devices. All these work really 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 well. So at the end, I would just say that these buds are really awesome. And just go to the store, wear it once. If it fits, buy it. Bye.